Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy we're going to make something that I've already made before on here that I'm prepping for the week. Again, today is Saturday and I'm trying to get prepped for the week. Sorry I haven't been able to post a lot of videos. I did have one video that the first night of the keto that we done that I cooked, but for some reason it did not upload correctly and I erased a lot of the footage, so I wasn't able to get that to you. But I had cooked steak and chicken that I just used the pork rinds to coat them with, make like a coating on it. But I've already got that up on my channel too, so you really need to go check that out. Even if you're not doing low carb, that is really, really good, especially if you add some hot sauce on top of it after it's all done, or ranch, whatever you prefer, but I like hot sauce. It's really, really good. Sorry for the background noise. We got a fire going today, and that's just the blower going because it is super chilly outside. I think it was like, I don't know, like 11 degrees, 12, something like that when we got up. So I just got back from the grocery store and it smells really good in here. I love the smell of fire burning, and I don't like the mess of it, but it is what it is. You know, you got to give a little, take a little to be warm. But I'm looking all hateful today. But we're going to make, what is that? The Mississippi pot roast. Like I said, I've made it before. We're going to do a little different variation because my husband had said that his friend had told him that he, you know, a different way to do it. And last time I used chicken, or not chicken stock, but beef broth in that, and it was a little salty. So today I'm not going to use the beef broth. It is really good. Like I said, we've already tried this before, so I'm making it for something for us to have to eat throughout the week. So it's going to be tasty. We can just eat it with a fork in a bowl if we want to, or make some garlic cauliflower mashed potatoes, anything you want to do, even if you're not doing low carb. But this is really good, really good. So let me show you what I bought. I got just two, I can't see without my glasses even though they're on top of my head. I just bought two chuck roast here. They're kind of thin, so I bought two of them. So we're going to use two of them, so because they cook down to nothing. Y'all know that. And we're going to cook this in the crock pot, which is going to make it just break down to nothing. You know how crock pots do meat. Alright, I've already got my crock pot going here. I turned it on high, didn't I? Yeah, I turned it on high. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add, without that, we're going to add both of them in here. Like I said, I'm doing two because they cook down to nothing, honestly. So I'm going to put them both in there. Look at that, that's the other one. I'm not going to add any liquid to it because the fat that's in there, marbleized in there, is going to render, and it's going to be add its own juice in there. Give my hands a quick washing. And this is super, super easy. And I'm just going to add a packet of ranch dip, just a package. You can buy any brand, you know, they all taste the same. I mean, for real. I'm gonna add that right in there, right over top of it. And again, like I said, last time I used a can of beef broth in there as well, and it really was a little salty. And then we're going to use a dry packet of the au juice. Au jus. However you say it. And just sprinkle that right over top as well. Your house smells really good when you're making this, trust me. Take a stick of butter. Going to put it right over top. You don't have to cut it or anything, just lay it right in there. And then we're going to take our pepperoncinis. I'm just going to kind of put it around there, put it right around the top. No rhyme or reason. Well, according to what he says, you're supposed to kind of place them strategically around there so the butter stays right on top and just melts throughout. But just between you and me, butter's gonna melt right throughout anyway, right? But we're gonna try it. I love these things anyway. I like these things with bologna sandwiches. I like to eat them just plain. Just gonna nestle that butter right there, just like that. And that should be good. And maybe a couple more, right? Why not? There you go. Look at that. Perfectly right around there. I'm going to put my lid on it. And we're going to let it go. And I don't really remember how long I cooked. Ooh, just went against that and it's hot. I really don't remember how long I cooked it the last time in the crock pot. I just cooked it till it just fork tender, till it was just like falling apart, shreddable, whatever. It is really super good. I wanted to be able to vlog a little bit more of, like I said, the things that I cooked for dinner last week, but I work long hours, so I wasn't able to do that. But the first week of the keto went really well. We both done super, super good. No cheating. There was temptation, but it didn't happen. I guess if you set your mind to anything, you know, you can do it. But, so we're going into the second week now, and pretty proud of myself, because normally I don't have a lot of willpower, especially when it comes to chocolate, stuff like chocolate, but I done it. I'm proud, and actually I started feeling a little bit better, had a little bit more energy, a little bit more pep in my step after day 3. But you still, you really just start craving, you know, some of the things that you normally you know, you get accustomed to, just whenever, picking up this, picking up that, and eating it. So it's a life-changing situation. So I'm going to do the best I can, day by day, minute by minute, you know, whatever, second by second, whatever I have to do. So I'm going to get this prepped and ready to go. I also bought a whole chicken that I'm probably going to just cook that on top of the stove. Just take all the bones off of it and just eat that. You know, maybe put some chicken bouillon in there and just kind of shred that up and have that to eat as well. I don't want to eat just all red meat all the time, so prepping is key. Anyway, that's what got me through the week is prepping. I had plenty of stuff there available for me to eat, and you know, we got a lot of things out of the deli as well, like already made chicken salad, ham salad, dips for pork rinds or what have you. You know, we got wraps. I plan on going online tonight at Amazon or Walmart somewhere. I'm going to order some more wraps, because I don't plan on getting back out this weekend, because I got to work again tomorrow. And then some of the sweet things that you can have, like the Atkins, you know, the chocolatey stuff, whatever. Those things that, just in case you do get that craving and you feel like you can't go without something, those are really good. I mean, they are a good substitute. It's not a Reese cup by any means, but it's satisfying. It's satisfying if you're really, really wanting to do this. So that's what's happening today. Prepping again. I don't know what else to say. My schedule this week is crazy. I'm working day shift and night shift, so I'm not going to be able to put out a lot of videos this week. But the next week, I'm going to try to start incorporating some of the regular videos back in for people who are not doing low carb. I guess I'll just have to challenge my inner, I don't know. I don't even know what you call it. I'm just going to have to challenge myself. Just, you know, not eat it. I feel that if you can get through the first few days of it, for me anyway, then it's easier. It's actually the first few days that is the hardest. And here I am, almost a week later, so these pounds better start shutting herself off. But anyway, that's what's going on today. But like I said, next week or the week after is when I'm going to start getting some regular videos out, getting your sweet stuff, I mean all the savory stuff, the good stuff that I always put out there, because I want to continue to entertain all of the people that subscribed to me in the beginning because of the fabulous food that I was making. So I don't want to lose any of you, not one of you. So I'm gonna get this going, get it started, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, while we are waiting for the roast to get done, which we're not eating that today, we might pick at it or whatever. That's just for through the week, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and fry us a couple hamburgers, and then I got some of the like the chopped salad kits. So we're gonna have just some hamburgers and some chopped salad for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you call it. And neither one of us have eaten, so this is what we're having. Just gonna pat them out. I think I've got some lettuce. I think I'm gonna wrap mine in like lettuce. See, I like to use foil when I pat my burgers out because it's just so simple. It's so simple. It's so simple. It makes it so much easier. Make him a big burger because he's a big guy. Put that in there too. And for that. Alright, I'm going to turn these on about medium. And I like to put just pepper. A lot of pepper. Those are 4 good sized burgers, but they'll shrink down to nothing. They usually do. They get smaller. And then I like to use garlic salt. And some garlic salt. These make the best burgers, just like this. This is what when we cook out on the grill, we put the same thing on them, garlic salt and pepper, and that's it. I'm gonna get these fried up, and then I'm gonna get my tomatoes, my onions, and all that good stuff ready for when these get done. Those flipped over. Looking good, smelling good. Now I'm gonna get my salad started. Pour that right in there. I don't think I'm gonna put the dressing on it until the burgers are done. What do y'all think? That's not very much, is it? I can eat that by myself. Oh shit. All right, the burgers are done. I've already got the cheese on them, and it's just kind of melting. Get the salad together here. Just pour the dressing right over top. I love Caesar salad. It's one of my favorite, next to my own homemade dressing. My garlic and olive oil dressing. I don't know if you guys have watched that video. I made that like a couple years ago. And it is so good. That's really our go-to dressing anymore, to be honest with you. But they had these on sale at the store. They're normally like $4 or $5. I can't believe that. They had them on sale for like $2.59. So I thought, what the heck? We'll try it. Look at this. I tried to get all fancy dancy. I was going to just try to wrap my hamburger in my lettuce, but I didn't do a very good job. So I don't think I'm going to be able to wrap my hamburger in there, but we'll see. Cut the bacon bits up, put it in there. Ooh, this looks good. Just gonna mix it all around, that's what I'm gonna do. Give that a clip. And then we've decided we're gonna go ahead and use these. I mean, the carb count is so low that we're gonna treat ourselves to it. Oops. Gosh, if I lost a couple, I'm gonna be happy. Now, we're just gonna toss this around to get it all good and mixed. And we're just gonna split this. It's really not that much. I'm dropping it. The burgers are done and they look absolutely fabulous as always. Look at that. You get the first one. Ooh, look at that cheese. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That look delicious. All right, now we're ready to eat. Alright, here's what we're having for lunch. Got a little bit of hot sauce on my burger and my pickle because he did it, so I copied him. And then I got the salad here. So, bon appetit. Oh wait, look at this. Look it. Huh? Look at that. I cooked this for, let's see, I cooked this for about 5 hours, and see that there was 2 of them in there, and they really cooked down to nothing. But look at that. Look how nice and tender that is. Oh my goodness. And it smells phenomenal. You know, I gotta try a bite of this. I already did, to be honest with you.
So, awesome.
Oh my gosh.
These 2 to you. I'll get that one to them. Okay. Both have no creatures. I'll take 1, 2, 3.
It's gonna be hot.
Oh, because left is attacking. Yeah, and then right as hell.
Man, that is so good.